Choo-Choo Charles? You said it wasn't real. I know what I saw.
Choo-Choo Charles. So this is what it looks like. That eye socket is completely broken. Something destroyed this.
I think this is it. It's in here. Be careful, we don't know if it's deactivated.
The rust is heavier here, almost structural.
Whoa.
But this joint, it still moves.
I found it. Choo-Choo Charles. It's exactly like the legend said. Unbelievable.
The corrosion here is extensive, definitely needs attention.
Any structural issues?
Looks like we'll need to reinforce the boiler casing.
Severe rust on the knee joint. We'll need a reinforced weld here.
Check the tension on the suspension bolts first. Those look loose.
All right, cables attached. Secure the tension. Tension engaged. Keep it steady. We don't want any trouble from this thing. All right, Charles, let's get you off this rig.
Careful with those old chains, boss.
Always am. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Keep it steady. Down a little further. We got it. Clear the way. Watch that front leg. It's coming down slow. Just a little more. Set. All right, time to get this beast clean. Make sure to hit the face well, it's pretty nasty.
Almost finished with the main vents.
Good. Let's hit the articulation joints next.
All right, just one more. Easy, don't let it drop. Got it, it's coming loose.
All right, that one's loose.
Careless.
Watch it.
Almost there.
Rust never sleeps.
Engage hoist. Lifting. Clear the frame. Moving it out.
Keep it steady.
Good, move it to the right.
Perfect. Take a look at that weld.
Almost done, you old scrap pile.
Don't talk to it like that. It's working.
Just apply the coat, keep the schedule. Almost there, just needs a bit more. Heavy beast. Perfect, done. right, easy does it. Line it up. Okay, now the bolts.
All right, align the rod with the pin, slowly. That's it, now secure it, nice and tight. Good work.
Almost there.
Yes, give it a test, perfect.
Keep it steady. Down an inch. It's aligned. Secure it.
All right, let's see how you hold up.
Engaging primary axle.
Smooth. Now the hydraulics. Almost finished with this piece. Looking better than new, if that's even possible.